going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys have all been doing well. Today we are super rushing right now. I just got off of work. I left like an hour early so that way we can make it and do this. We're gonna warm up the Evo and I'll give you more details about the event we're going to, because right now I'm walking quick and I have no breath. Don't ever let me sell this car again, guys. Dumbest mistake ever. Super grateful I was able to get it back. Also, if you have an Evo 8.9 in Cali and you deleted your AC, I feel bad for you, boy, because honestly, those performance gains aren't worth it. Unless you're trying to run a 7 at the track, keep the AC, dog. We're about to pull up with the most crusty, dusty freaking car there. But honestly, guys, I don't give a flying fuck because I'm just stoked to have this thing back. God, Tarmac Black is sick. So I'm just waiting for my lady to come downstairs and get in the car. But the meet we're going to, I don't remember who's hosting it. Hoonigan's sponsoring it. Enzo Tech is sponsoring it. There's a lot of like big names that are going, a lot of automotive influencers and like just people in the industry. It's pretty much like an industrial car meet, honestly, like no joke. Don't get to drive this thing enough and I'm stoked. The only thing that kind of sucks is when I bought the car back, because if you guys don't know, if you're new to my channel, I bought this car back from someone who owns a Mitsubishi dealer. They did do the airbag recall that was open on this car. And as you guys can tell, when they put my interior back together, the frickin' radio doesn't fit correctly. So this'll, I mean, I'm gonna do a relocation kit anyway because I'm gonna run gauges here, but this is like the only thing that bothers me. But I hope you guys are all doing well. In case you guys are new, my name is Josh. I film videos of cars, lifestyle, and everything in between. I really hope that this video helps take your mind out of things if you guys are going through a lot. If you're stressed out about work, school, maybe you're anxious about just some personal things, hope that this video helps take your mind off it and we get to see some dope cars today. Also, I don't know if this is enough 85 to make it to Costa Mesa. It's like 40 miles from me, but we're about to find out. Alright guys, we're on the way there. I made a quick pit stop. I get it at Dunkin', not sponsored. But it says we're going to be there in like 45 minutes. This is kind of a far drive. But at least the AC is working. That's all that matters. And for those wondering, I don't regret my decision at all. This thing freaking drives amazing. No hate to Evo 10s. If you like the car, there's nothing wrong with it. They're great engines. Mitsubishi so killed it, but let's go see what this industry car meet's all about. So this is a disaster, guys. We had to park like a basic B in front of Maggiano's.
The Porsche.
It's super hectic, as you guys can tell. The turnout is insane. Tons of good cars here. Tons of people just shooting photos. Let's take a moment to appreciate this dude has like $8,000 brakes. This is crazy. Project Move calipers, front and rear. I guarantee you no one here is really paying attention to this, but my man, you are stunned. McLaren is hard. Yeah. I like the thing.
Big.
I told you.
This is a factory color?
No.
There we go. I'll do the map.
This thing is pretty wild, guys. The lighting's not great, but this color is insane in person. Yeah. Yo, take a moment, guys, to appreciate this freaking thing, man. Look at this kid, guys. This is crazy. This is what dreams are made of, guys. If I was balling, a Mark V needs to happen. They look so good. Anyone that says they don't like the Mark V needs to experience one because they are amazing. It's crazy. Damn, the interior's mint on this thing. Gnarly, dude. Something about seeing a two-door car in red just hits different, guys. The lighting is horrible, ignore that, but damn. Yo, my man out here wildin'. What's your gas mileage, bro? That thing cannot get good gas mileage, there's no way. We're like across the street from the event now, so I can talk to you guys. The music's not blaring, but guys, coming to events like this is like why I started filming the car scene. Just wide variety. Just look at this, even in the parking lot across, we got an M4, Porsche S2000, Subarus. Alright, we back in the Evo. Got the maps to go get some ED5 because there's no way that's gonna get us back home. I'm stoked to be back in this thing because it is hot AF here. Yeah. You'd think being by the water would be cooler, but nope, it's not. Southern California, just know that this, no matter what time of day, if you get on the freeway, especially in Orange County where we're at right now, is gonna happen. It's crazy how many people live here. Like, guys, it's been days later from when I filmed all this footage you guys just watched, and I didn't get as much footage as I would have liked. It just was insanely crowded, but I think you guys get the point that there was a lot of really cool cars there, and it was a little surreal seeing like the Ken Block, like the Porsche, and just like a ton of people from industry. You know, like there was people from Hoonigans, there's people from Daily Driven Exotics, there was all types of really big names for the car industry, and it was really cool to just, I don't know, man, like seeing that Ken car, the car in the thumbnail of this video, I just feel like it hit different. You know, like when the news came out about Ken Block having the accident, it was pretty surreal. I remember calling my buddy Zach, and like we talked about it and stuff, and it's just like, I don't know, whenever you hear of someone passing away, it's always like the quickest way back to reality, that life happens so quickly. And as much as we think we have our whole life ahead of us and future and setting these goals, it's just a reminder that tomorrow's not really promised to anybody. And I highly encourage any of you guys watching, if you got like a friend or a loved one, just to give them a call, just remind them that, you're thinking of them, because you never know when it's going to be the last time you get to spend time with them or talk to them. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I don't want to talk you guys' ear off. I tend to do that quite a bit. And I'm really stoked we're getting back in the swing of uploading. I got more videos that I literally just have to get through and edit and just like grind out. And I'm really stoked to put some of that stuff out there. August 6th, if you guys don't know, Mitsubishi Owners Day, Redondo Beach, Mitsubishi. I hope to see a lot of you guys there. One of the future upcoming videos, I'm trying to do a build breakdown of my buddy Sam's 1,000 horsepower Evo 8. It's just really hard to schedule-wise make our schedules line up. He's been stupid busy with the shop. And then also getting my buddy Lorenzo Evo 9 back on the road. It runs, but it just getting it to a driving thing. We got to fix the AC, and I want to make a video of that as well. So anyway, guys, drop a comment of your favorite car you saw in this video. Comment a video you'd like to see. Give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the algorithm, helps support the channel. If you guys want to see this thing grow, get more cars, do more cool things. Yeah, when you guys are watching this, it's Monday. Hope you guys are all having a great week, great day. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.